and she said this one line that just woke me up from my slumber of depression. If you're struggling with something, work on it.
At this time, I would like to introduce our session presenter, Ms. Jaida Steele.
Speak the words that you know you need to speak to build the world that you know you want to have. You want to make sure you're specific because you can only get blessed when you have specificity.
Today I came to this session because I struggle a lot with self-identity and anxiety and mental illness. And Jaida helped, and it kind of stood out to me how much she interacted and made us feel seen.
Today I came into this workshop session because I saw the words identity, and to me, as a senior going into college, that's really all I need to figure out right now.
And how jubilant she is with presenting, she really gets her voice out there and it really speaks to you in a lot of different ways.
See, this is what you gotta look at. This is your life. If somebody is being negative to you, they can't be here. You gotta get them going.
Leaving this session, I know that embracing your authenticity is one of the most important things that you can do.
We inspire students today. We show students how to actually create a goal and actually reach it instead of giving them useless information that they can't do anything with. I'm happy. I'm happy with the results.
So thank you, Jaida, for making me get my butt up and working on who I want to be and who I want to become in the next 5 years.